But let us look at the provisions of the constitutions with regards to impeachment.
Yeah.
Yes, and I'm just looking at the part where if the lawmakers, pass the different stages, the first two stages, the other stage is for the chief judge of the state to constitute a panel to investigate the allegations. Yes. And we know that the chief judge of Rivers State at the moment, was appointed by the governor.
It doesn't matter. It really, really, really doesn't matter. It has happened, while I was an active, observer of the situation. It doesn't matter whether whether the chief judge appoints a panel but the important thing is that, there are a lot of things within the process that are not, strictly speaking, based on law, but based on value judgment. What constitutes gross misconduct? For example, in the case of Rivers, if it is proved that the governor expended money without appropriation, that could easily be proved as a misconduct. If, as it is now, if you read the Supreme Court judgment, that he had put the governance in Rivers State in jeopardy, he has put this in jeopardy, he has done this all for fear of impeachment, meaning every action he took was to stop an impeachment process, not necessarily to observe the law. And if all of this that he took was considered by the Supreme Court to have been wrong actions, what would you call the actions he took that the Supreme Court decided to say is wrong? So what I am saying is that, the act of gross misconduct, withholding the salaries of the legislators, could also be considered because legitimately they deserve their emoluments. So there are a lot of areas where you could easily find
the government culpable.
Since Ahmed Sajo didn't quite respond to my question, he mentioned rules, and I had wanted him to define,
you want to define the rules. Well, those rules are mentioned during the time that you are
not privy to them.
Yeah, no, it's not about being privy to them. The chief here had mentioned it. My brother Jide Ojo had mentioned it. When they are giving you, look, he said there is no free lunch even in Freetown. That's the truth. When they are giving you something, you must know that it has a price. Everything that you get has a price.